Hello, my voice is kind of gone, but we are going to Kamakura? I think that's how you say it. It's like a beachside city this weekend, and I just thought I would vlog because I haven't vlogged in a while and I've been really bad about uploading, but that's to be expected since I'm doing a lot of schooling. I think in December I might try and vlog every day. It might be slightly mundane just because, you know, like day-to-day life can be kind of like that, but maybe I'll just let you guys more into my life, but we'll see. I don't know, I haven't decided. I actually sound a lot better today, so like, you probably don't even know that, but like, that's my phone. Compared to this week, my voice sounds actually a lot better because I completely lost my voice at one point and I had to stay home. But yeah, so anyways, we're gonna be going to Kamakura. This one's too big, I think. This is like too much. Like, do I really want to be an old man right now and like wear this with this and be like, oh hey, I'm an old man? Okay, no. Let's see. I mean, I can wear like a sweater. I don't know. It's gonna be warmer there. I guess maybe because it's a beachside city. I think I'll just wear like a shirt. I don't know. I've never done that, but maybe it'll be cute. Yeah, I think this works. I think this works. I have no mirror. It's so hard to tell. I never know what I look like, but you know, that's okay. I have like a little mirror. Oh my god, I need to turn my phone off. I have a little mirror right here. So that's kind of how I see my outfits, but exactly like you can't see it. Alright, so what I'm packing is cough drops, walrus flavored, and then just like lip gloss, I don't know what that is, a little mirror, and then all the meds that my doctors gave me. Literally, what is this? What is this? Like, no, this is so much, but literally it's all for having a cold. Then I have a mask, which I don't want to wear, but like, they told me I should because I guess I shouldn't be breathing the outside air, but you know, it's fine. Ooh, should I wear my scarf? Is it gonna be cold? Is this too much plaid? It's too much plaid. Okay, I can't. Alright, so I gotta grab my phone. And my Wi-Fi is over here on the floor. You guys, I'm a mess. Alright. Last thing to bring for the train ride is probably my textbook and then notebook. Neuroethics. Yeah, all my trash, ignore it, please. Alrighty. Off we go. Alright, so I think I'm ready to go. I hope I didn't forget anything. And I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Please let me know if you want more and if they're interesting or what you guys want to know about. Like, I feel like my life is pretty boring, but I don't know. Let me know. Alright, update. I did some minor changes. Took off the choker and I tied this around my waist because I think it makes it look a little bit better. Yeah. Okay, sorry. I should probably go get water and lunch and maybe food. I don't know. Okay. Say hello. Yeah. I got these from Liz Lisa. Yes. So basically everyone else in our group is taking forever to get ready, and so we're going to 7-Eleven to get food. Well, at least I am.
At least one of them's still sleeping, actually.
Yeah, BB is still sleeping. Patrick and Matt, who knows what they're doing. Shut up. But yeah. So
every morning, Maya thought.
Yeah, every morning they take forever. So now we're at 7-Eleven.
Do you have any coins or anything?
I do, but you're such a typical American.
What?
Yes, donuts and coffee.
Policeman.
Yeah, pretty much. Okay, I should get money out. I got an onigiri and I got water because health. Let's get some money. So we're like super lost. Yeah, I don't know where we're going. We might miss miss our train? You know?
Oh, she's getting dictionary out.
He's helping us. I think we're honestly really close.
Shinjuku.
No, which one are we going to?
Oh, yeah. I don't know.
Kamakura?
Kamakura. Juniji go.
No,
Juniji Jugofun.
It's 13 then.
Sumimasen. Ichiji Jugofun. Okay.
Ichiji Gofun. Fuck. Ay. Oh, she's so sweet. Look at her go. Look at her go.
World. It's not gonna let me out. It's not gonna let me out because I'm not officially on the train.
You do that all the time. If you watch the other vlog, you do that every time.
Really?
You just go like really close to the camera. So cute. Wait, do it again. I should have gotten that.
You should do musical theater. Don't be a bitch about it.
He knows all of it. You know all of it. Yeah, it's like number
Do it.
yeah, working, so I can.
Great, stop, guys. Wow. This looks like Hayfork, where my grandma lives. Well, used to live. Wow.
Oh.
Just walking through Kamakura. I said that terribly. Oh my god, that's so amazing.
Everywhere you go.
So beautiful.
You say as you walk in front of a truck, like, ah. Sumimasen.
Sumimasen. Kireii.
Sumimasen. Ah.
Oh my god. See, we're here. It's so cool. Come on.
I mean, everything's small, so I'm going too fast.
Yeah, yeah.
We got separated. Wow.
To the shrine to do shit.
We journey to the shrine to do shit. Wow, I failed.
To drink coffee and be fucking low people.
Like
playing as
porn,
fuck.
yeah. And like record ourselves walking around. Well, that's just me, but it's fine. Oh, so cute.
Damn, guys, this is like some.
Wow. This is so crazy. I like remember seeing stuff like this in movies, but
Okay.
walking up the stairs to the top.
Go down a little further and get one leg of like coming up.
I did.
No, like of me.
I'm not your slave. He's your slave.
Oh, mackerel.
It's so bright. I got lost. I'm technically not supposed to have my camera here. Look at them go. Look at the boys go down the stairs. We're not waiting for Patrick. I don't know what he's doing.
He's doing like one of the cool things.
All the cool stuff is blocked off.
Wait, the oldest hotel in the world is.
We're all the way up there. Wait for us. Chotamote. Always walking off without me, guys.
I go, wow, these flags are like so nice, and Harkawa goes,
Fashion is what makes you life. It's super zoomed in on accident, sorry. Okay. The guy said the same thing as you.
What?
Did you hear the guy walking by?
No.
He's like, oh, touch it, touch it.
You getting on a train together?
Going on another train.
Sapphire. Not Palatine, my bad. So, whatever the first town's called, I use something.
ご理解とご協力をお願いいたします。次は和田塚でございます。
Little route.
お出口は左側です。
Little route town.
Thank you. That's so gross.
Like how you try to fall asleep with classical music? You're saying? When you were texting at like 4 in the morning that night, remember that?
dun, dun, dun.
You're such a derp in all of these. Like, you make like such a weird face.
My friend sent me.
Going to the beach. That is attractive.
Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away.
Where are we going?
It's not easy to just break into a British accent whenever you want to.
What you do is you so good.
I'm not here to practice my British accent. I'm here to go to Kamakura. Come on now.
So much better than I can do. So.
Here we go.
Alright, so where are we again?
At the Lego Club.
Okay, no, we're in in Oshima.
Dance monkey, she says.
What?
That was great. That was a
say,
bit of a grenade joke for
do
Brittany.
something, and then we all jump at it.
Oh.
Yeah. You say jump,
Like
we
you
say
started,
how high.
you started filming, and then you were like, "Guys, where are we?" And we were supposed to be like, "Oh, we're in."
She wanted me
No,
to say it in
I actually
British
didn't know where we were. We were gonna see the sunset, but we missed it because
Oh no, it's
we're
still
slow.
it's fine.
It's
I mean-
set, but like we can get that afterglow.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
It's good. It's good.
Better lighting.
All right.
You can just get my chin and
I know. I literally can't reach high enough.
I'm all chin. That's all I got. I'm literally that character from Fairly Odd Parents with the chin.
Crimson chin.
Crimson chin.
Crimson chin.
That's the one. Hell yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well.
What's the sidekick's name? That's you.
Oh, I don't know.
Hey, what's Sidekick's name?
Yeah.
Patrick? Crimson Chin and
Boy Chin Wonder.
Cleft Boy Chin
Cleft
Wonder.
Boy.
Cleft Girl Chin Wonder.
Cleft chin is so.
Like,
I mean, no offense to anyone who's
cleft
chin.
palate when your lips don't connect.
That's just sad. That's like people have a condition.
My stepdad had a cleft
This is
palate.
kind
His
of like
lip was, like,
a
up in his
weird
nose.
lighting.
Weird.
Look how like
mean, he's
dismal
fine
it
now.
looks. We look like we're going to
Dismal?
Yeah, it looks like we're going to a funeral.
I don't know. I feel like I'm wearing a neon green shirt.
I mean, okay,
Dismal,
no
like
one's
in,
seen your neon green shirt. Hide it. Please, it's embarrassing us.
Hey, show them how in Japan 7-Eleven's called 7i.
Oh yeah, 7i and Holdings.
7i and Holdings.
7 and I hold.
There's
Guys, I heard it's
7-Elevens
called that because they're
everywhere.
open from 7 till I Holdings.
Yeah, 7 to I. Alright. Fuji-san! Fuji-san! Wow. Sunset. And the moon. Oh. My voice doesn't make noises anymore.
Good idea. Yeah. We should go down here.
Patrick, did you appreciate our explanation of what love is?
Love fucking sucks. It sounds awful and people need to stop doing it.
Oh, well, I mean, what if somebody told you to stop loving your mom?
I'd be like, she gave birth to me. I kind of owe her like a couple $100,000
Okay,
in like
what about
life
your
payments.
brother? What about your brother?
My brother sucks. I could burn him at the stake. Like,
Have loved and lost and not loved and
Expensive camera is a lot better in low light situations, in my opinion.
Yep. God damn it. You with the faces. Hi. My friends are too far away. I can't catch up to them. They're all like over 6 feet tall. It's not fair. But yeah, I had such a fun day, guys. Thank you for letting me come along. And thank you for watching. If you did watch, I've heard that my vlogs are quite annoying, so it's fine. But yeah, so I might say bye now. Bye. Bye. Ew, this is like a beautiful shot, and then you just
I didn't know you were still taking pics. Like, I thought I was on my own now.
no, it's a video.
Go, man. That's all.
Oh my god, can you just be like
Yeah, I'll just pretend.
like artsy for like 5 seconds?
Yeah, I got this. Artsy, don't ask for that. Get like really modern. I have a video. Do you want to see it?
Don't show up. Don't show
show it.